Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for medical assistant. First, organize your study materials by subject area, like anatomy or pharmacology. Next, establish a consistent study routine, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to focused learning. Prioritize understanding core concepts over rote memorization. Utilize flashcards for key terms and definitions, and consider joining a study group for collaborative learning. This structured approach will build a strong foundation for your success. To maximize your learning, don't just read, actively engage with the content. Try explaining concepts aloud as if teaching someone else, which reinforces your understanding. Regularly take practice quizzes and tests to identify areas needing more attention. Don't shy away from challenging topics. Instead, dedicate extra time to them. Consider using visual aids like diagrams or flowcharts to simplify complex processes, making them easier to recall during exams. Beyond theoretical knowledge, practical application is crucial. Dedicate time to reviewing medical terminology, as it forms the language of the profession. If possible, practice hands-on skills like phlebotomy or administering injections in a simulated environment. Work through various case studies to understand how different conditions are diagnosed and treated. Consistent review of both theory and practical skills will ensure you are well prepared for both written and practical examinations. As you approach your certification exam, focus on comprehensive review. Take several full-length practice tests to familiarize yourself with the format and pacing. Analyze your results to pinpoint any remaining knowledge gaps. Review the official exam content outline to ensure you've covered all required domains. Remember to prioritize self-care, including adequate sleep and nutrition, to perform your best. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to that book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.